Hey, it is Thursday, the 29th of May, and we are going to be looking at another trade. Thank goodness we got one today. Yesterday, they had no trade day, and this was the word we got from them. It says, just a heads up, we will not be trading today due to the FOMC meeting minutes being released, and the minutes, apparently it comes out with deep insight into Fed outlook on the economy, interest rates, and inflation. Even though it's not a rate decision day, this release can still cause major volatility, especially on gold, as traders try to interpret the Fed's tone and future policy directions. So, and they said we were already seeing that the market's reacting in anticipation. So price action may be erratic and unpredictable heading into this event. It's smarter to sit on the sidelines today and let noise pass. We'll resume trading tomorrow once the market has absorbed the news and provide clear direction. Stay patient, stay disciplined, it says. All right, so we didn't get a trade yesterday. I was hoping for a big trade today. And, you know, they might surprise us with another second trade during the day, but we did get one real early. Look, this is the earliest one I've seen. At 6:29, they had a buy at 32.79.79 and sold it at 32.98.76, which gave us profit of 61.52. And so that was added to my balance here, plus a little bit that I have in my wallet. But my friends, just to do the percentage, so he made $98.98 today, $98.98. And if you divide that by his other balance or his previous balance from yesterday, 7204.83, you come out with, and then times it by 100 to clean it up, you come out with a 1.37%. So that's good. That's what did that add to? I think the first day, we only had 2 trading days this week, so that was kind of a bummer. I've never seen that before, but still, I mean, it comes out to 2.51% for the week. That's gross, of course. But let's look at what it does to our. So his total balance now is 7303.81. So this is the net balance, and it comes out to 2% for the week. So far for me, and this is for, that's going to be closing out this month, basically. It's the 29th, and we probably won't have any more trades. I shouldn't say that. They might maybe do a trade on Friday just because they missed a couple of days already this week. That'd be nice if they actually look for a setup, but they probably won't. Fridays, they just kind of don't do it. But they might surprise us. You never know. So this is my 15.41% for the month, and I started, wasn't quite the whole month, so my first trade was on the 6th, so I basically missed a whole week. But that week, I think they only had 1 or 2 days, or 2 or 3 days trading on that one too. So it wasn't much. I didn't miss much. But I know the last month they made 17.5%, something like that. So 15.41, we're looking good. Of course, if you get a CD for 15.41 for a year, that is outstanding, which is unheard of actually. But so I'm definitely happy for that. 15% for the month. Next month I'll be in it for the whole month, so hopefully we'll see 17-18%. That would be great. We're looking forward to that, and they always try and get between 15 to 20 is what we were hearing, so that would be wonderful to get a closer to 20 for the next month. So now I have actually 2 new people in our group, but they don't have a balance in their account yet. So just to help you out, at the end of this video, I'll put a link to the video that will let you know how to step-by-step deposit. If you can't really follow this guide right here, it's a video that'll actually help you out a little better to get started. So with only 2 trading days, I don't need to do like a Friday weekend review. It's just been these 2 days right here. So that one was the 1.14, and that one was the one today for 1.37. So that is our weekend review. Hopefully next week we'll get a 4-day trading week without any holidays or crazy FOMC days or anything like that. No Feds. Don't mess us up, Fed. We want to trade just a nice, calm market. Anyway, they like throwing a wrench into our system once in a while, huh? The 29th, so we'll talk to you guys next month. What is the first? What is Monday? Monday would be June 2nd. So hopefully we'll get a trade on that one, and I'll come back and give you a breakdown on what happens on Monday. All right. Have a wonderful weekend, and we'll talk to you next week. Bye.